Greetings everyone, I'm Marvin Plackett and today is Monday, February 1st. Sure hope you are doing well. Greetings to all residents, to all staff, and to all guests. Very pleased to report that for the first time in a long time, maybe 2 months, I'm not sure, I didn't actually go back and look. We have zero active COVID cases at this time, zero. No residents, no staff have COVID at this time. We're delighted about that. We are also delighted that this week is a big week for vaccines. Today, we have vaccines occurring, and in fact, they might have already finished, at Midway Point. Terrific. Tomorrow, vaccines are occurring at Seabury. Wednesday, vaccines are occurring at Beckettwood, and Thursday, vaccines are occurring at Episcopal Church Home. That means that by the end of Thursday, all residents and all staff at all 10 communities of Episcopal homes will have been offered the vaccine. And that is, some have been offered by the end of Thursday, the first round. Some will have already gotten their second round. I'm one of those fortunate ones. I already have had my second round. So this is a big week where all residents, all staff at Episcopal homes have been offered now the first and second round. Having said that, we cannot in any way become complacent or relaxed about the measures that we have in place. And in fact, today in the Star Tribune lead article, the title of the article is State's Vaccine Focus Shifts to Seniors. Incidentally, guess what percent of Minnesota's population has already received the vaccine, whether it's first or second round already? Only 7.4% of Minnesotans have received the vaccine. So if we're thinking we need to get to at least 70 or 80%, 7.4% is a pretty small number. That means that there's a lot of virus still occurring out there. And while the numbers are heading in the right direction for Minnesota, there's a lot of warning signs just around the corner, regrettably as well, especially because of the variants. Extracting a couple of pieces of information from today's Star Tribune. Let's see, today, Governor Walz and his team, they are going to announce that Minnesota will be scaling back, at least temporarily, from the 9 vaccine pilot sites that it offered each of the last 2 weeks. The distribution plan for this week will result in significantly more vaccines specifically allocated for Minnesotans age 65 plus. So that is Minnesotans that are out there in the community, in contrast to living in a campus like Episcopal homes, because campus like Episcopal homes, we were that 1A category top priority, and as you can see, we're already getting the vaccine and we are thrilled about that. The reason why we cannot let up, though, on the wearing of face masks and the physical distancing and washing hands, and if we have any symptoms, self-isolating and getting tested, is because of what Mike Osterholm, he's our specialist at the U of M, as we know, and he's also an advisor to President Joe Biden. He warned, he said that, this is on yesterday's Meet the Press, he said that the nation's healthcare system must prepare for a surge in serious cases such as the one experienced recently in England. What we have to do now is also anticipate this and understand that we're going to have to change quickly. So basically he's saying that there's another surge coming here in the next 6 to 12 weeks or so that could in fact make the previous surges look small. So let's hope that doesn't happen, and yet at the same time, I'm listening, I'm paying attention to the experts. I'm not an expert, I'm not a scientist, and so I pay attention to the scientists. And he's one of the scientists that's really focused in this area, Mike Osterholm, Dr. Mike Osterholm from the U of M. So we have to stay vigilant. So that's on the serious side, but again, on the plus side is we have no cases at this time, and the vaccines are here. That's terrific. Okay, so lastly, I want to read the birthdays for this week. And these are the ones: Agnes Hegwood at the Gardens, Roy Dorn at the Terrace, Jeff Kozlishin at Midway Point, Lorenzo Rock Rangel at Midway Point, Martha Ryan at the Gardens, Eartha Frazier at King's Crossing, Judith Soderfeld at the Gardens, and Charlotte Badeau at Iris Park Commons. A big happy birthday to all of you. All right? Okay, everyone, take care. I look forward to seeing you on Thursday. Stay safe and be good to yourself. Be good to your neighbors. Bye-bye.